So today we want to build a WordPress website with Hostinger, and thanks to the new AI of Hostinger, we can do this in under 10 minutes. It will build us a beautiful website just like this one, and I would say let's not lose any more time and start the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is to click on the link down in the video description because it's a partner link and you will get up to 77% off. So just click on it, the first link, and it will bring you to this page, and here you can just select your Hostinger website. You do need to take the Plus plan because here you get the AI tools, and we want to use the AI to make this process quick because it will help us to write the text and upload the images and build the site for us. Therefore, you choose the plan, and on this screen you can choose the period of your subscription, and the longer you take it, the more you will save. I will take 24 months. And then you can click on have a coupon code, and here you can just type in Julian Weber, which is my name, and then you get an extra 10% off. Here you can see you get an extra 10% off, and then you can click continue, and now you can log in with Google or just with your email address and a password. And once you've done that, you will land on this setup guide from Hostinger for WordPress, and here you can choose your language, type in your email address and a password for your WordPress login, and then you can click next. And now here, please choose the AI because we want to use the AI and it will help us to build the site for us. So we can click next. And now if you already know what kind of domain you want to take, you can type it in. For example, julians-tutorials.com. Hostinger will show you if this is available, and you have one domain included in your plan, so you can just choose it and then you can go ahead and click next. I will use a temporary domain because this is just for the tutorial, and now Hostinger is installing WordPress for us, and this can take a couple of minutes. And once Hostinger installs the website, now we can tell the AI what we want to do. For example, my brand name is Julian's Tutorials, and I want to build a portfolio website, but you can choose whatever, a business website, a blog, but I'm good with portfolio. And now I can put in my description of my website. So I just typed in, I'm Julian Weber, a YouTuber doing website tutorials about WordPress and other content management systems. And you can type in whatever. The more information you give the AI, the better it can create the site. But it also works with just one sentence. That's why I just typed in one sentence here to show you how good this is. Now we can click on create, and then the AI will start generating the site for us. And now the AI is done. It created this website for us, and I'm already quite pleased with the outcome. It's a basic website and it already has some sites. So you have a homepage, a portfolio site and a tutorial site, and some contact information and some social media icons here. So that's a proper website, I would say. And you can always go back and recreate the site, but I'm fine with this. So I will just click confirm and edit. And now I'm inside the site builder, and here I can just make edits to my website. So master web creation with Julian Weber, and then I can just enter another paragraph here. And of course I want to have my own image here, so I can just click replace, and here I can just upload my own image, and therefore you just go to your desktop and then you can select whatever image you want to upload. And now I've already uploaded my image. And now I want to link this button to my about page, so I can just click in it and type in about me, and then I will link this button to the about page, so I can just type about and then click save. And now I already added the headline, the paragraph, uploaded my own image and linked the button. So this is how easy you can create a website, because now we just need to do this with the entire site. So you can enter a different headline here and different text. And if you don't like too many images, so you want to upload your own videos, for example, you can just delete the image and then click plus and browse all. And here WordPress will give you all the content elements you can put in your website, a paragraph, headings, quotes, galleries, images, or even videos. So we can just put in the video, and now you can either upload your own video to your server, or you will just take the URL from your YouTube video, for an example, and then you can just click on insert from URL and put it in. And now I already upload my own video here. And this is quite nice because now this is the homepage, and you would just go through and upload your own content here, make edits to everything. And you can always zoom out here and look at your site. And the site is already optimized for desktop and tablet and mobile. So this is how the site will look on a mobile phone. And you see the system does quite a good job on optimizing it for mobile. So you just make the edits on the desktop, and you will see the edits automatically also on mobile. And of course you have more than just the homepage. Here you can browse through the pages. So here we have a tutorial page, and then I would just do the same for the tutorial page. I can just click in here, edit the headline, upload my own content, and the same for the about page. Just click on it and then on about, and here the AI already did something for the about page. You can always go on preview and take a look at the entire site. So this is the homepage, the portfolio site with my projects, and the tutorial site with the blog posts. And it's quite nice because the AI already put in some blog posts for us. So when I click here, I'm on a blog post, and I don't edit the blog post on the site. So for example, when I click here, edit site, I will just edit the homepage, tutorial site, and about page. But when I want to make edits to my post, I can click here on edit post, and then I will land in the editor for blog posts. And here I can make edits to the blog post, and it works quite the same as on the page. You have the same Gutenberg builder from WordPress. And you can always go here on your WordPress dashboard. So just click here on the WordPress logo, and then you will land in the dashboard of WordPress. And this is the backend, which only you see as the site admin. And here you can manage your pages. So here you have all the pages, and here you have all the posts. And you can also install more plugins if you need. And you can also answer your comments. So people, when they're commenting on your blog post, you can answer the comments from within here. So just make yourself familiar with this. This is the backend, and here, when you click on Julian's tutorials, then on visit site, this will bring you to the front end, and here you can make edits to the homepage, to the portfolio page, and the tutorial page. And yeah, this was how you can set up an entire site in under 10 minutes with WordPress and on Hostinger with the AI, and it creates directly the content for you, the pages, and all you need to do is just to make some changes, type in your text, upload your image, and upload your videos, and then you can publish it under your own domain. And even that will happen automatically with Hostinger, and it will connect the site with your domain. And you can create up to 100 different websites on your plan. So I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to start with Hostinger, you will find the link to it down in the video description. And you can use my coupon code Julian Weber. Just type it in and you will get an extra 10%. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.